Here we have an Asus laptop that came in a Samsonite, like this. We got the Samsonite in, and the customer sent the code to open that bag. So we got our bomb sniffing dogs. They cleared it. We opened it, and we have this genuine old Asus laptop with a hard disk drive. Nice. Now, customer mailed this over because it does not power on. Initial inspection by Big Boss indicates that we have a problem. I'll show you. I'll go straight to the point. Big Boss is becoming very good at this. He's able to pinpoint where the problems are on the motherboard before he gives it to me. So he pointed me to this area. He said, look at this. You need to look at this. And it looks like we have something blown here, a V-Core MOSFET. So our CPU is right here. Our GPU is right here. And if we look at the bottom, below the CPU, we have the V-Core MOSFETs, right? And the board is burned down to the bones. What can you do? Look at this. Fried chicken. Before we start the video, I want to give a shout out to our sponsor, PCBWay. PCBWay is a China Shenzhen-based PCB manufacturer and printed circuit board assembler with more than a decade in the field of PCB prototype and fabrication. They offer a wide variety of services, including 3D printing, CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, and much more. PCBWay is committed to meeting all your PCB needs. They offer quality, on-time delivery, and competitive pricing. 1 to 2 layer boards starts at $5 with 24 hours turnaround. Get an instant quote by visiting PCBWay.com or click on the link below and make sure to check them out. Without wasting any time, let me just desolder that MOSFET. I do have a similar donor board in stock, so we can use the MOSFET from the donor and put it here. But based on the condition of this board, I'm not sure how far we can go with this. We did not disassemble the board, so I'm just putting a shield on the very edge here so we do not burn the plastic part of the laptop. A big Samsonite means a big problem, and that's what we have here. It's not just your average blown MOSFET, but it has to be blown to the bones. And that's what we have here. And not only is that MOSFET blown, but it looks like it fused itself down to the board. Nice and gentle. Let me grab the donor board. And I have it right over here. And the bad MOSFET on the customer's motherboard is this one right here. So we have a cap on the bottom, a bypass capacitor, which we can bypass. no short, and no short. We can do without this capacitor, but we need to replace the MOSFET. When you have a blown crater like this, then we have to do without this bypass capacitor. It's used for filtering. It's nice to have, but a laptop in this condition, we're gonna bypass it. Whoa, whoa, I put a lot. I just wanted to cover that tiny exposed ground via and look at the mess that I did. Just wanted to cover this right there. And maybe we can cover this also. Let's grab our donor board. And assuming this MOSFET is good, we can just quickly measure it. We're gonna measure here, no short. We're gonna measure here, no short. We're gonna measure here, no short. So we're gonna assume that this MOSFET is good. Just assume the good in people. That's what my mother taught me, and I apply the same to MOSFETs. Just assume the best in MOSFETs. All right, and we are done. Let's go here and see if we have a short circuit. I should have checked before I started the video, but I can guarantee you, based on all the Asus laptops I've worked on, anytime we have a V-core short, we're gonna end up with a short right here. But we do not have a short now. Almost 0.4. The board is still hot. It can go up to 0.44. I'm gonna hand the laptop to Big Boss to reassemble and test. Put the heatsink on, put the fans on, and I'll be back. Let's check up on Big Boss. He reassembled the heatsink, the fans, and the work that we did is right over here. Are we gonna get a working laptop?
Yes.
Yes? Oh, I see the light. I see the light. Yes, yes, awesome. Laptop is working. And the customer is gonna get back a working laptop and his Samsonite. His ultimate fancy Samsonite. Awesome, awesome. Awesome, great. Thank you, Big Boss, boss of all bosses. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.